Monene bw'erichiko imeyensi ya Kenya musubati Dorcas Oduor ochakirie Ekomiti y'obomo eyo erache kwaneka kubeka emirobero yokumurikera EBINA ebiabere ase EBIGAMBERO aiga asense Ekomiti yo kubarentamo ababwatani aho kurwasa sector erichiko igerache kurigereria nabo igo KOANGOIA EBINA ebiabere ase EBIGAMBERO ase EKEGAMBERO ase baigatebire Ekomiti yo igerache kubwatia erichiko riroro gwikirania Obokoreri obwo murikito Bw'Ebigambero na mange.
Obisi ya Tony General NIGO lituko lya lero yachakirie kiombe gye sector ao chokolenda machiko asege ikaro gya kolekana ase nyumba ya sheria au sime yomocho Nairobi ekiombe kyo NIGO gyachakiwa elioko baleta abantu ao koruchinsemo ao eliogoetera oboya machiko yense ya Kenya na koene kyabuna nkobwatiale katiba y'omwaka bwechiri bubere na ikomi amo namagani abono yense.
Members of the public, if you know of any laws that you think are obsolete, are unconstitutional, or laws that should be amended, we now have an opportunity to relook at these laws and deal with them and make them responsive and make them constitutional. I wish you all the very best in your deliberations during this inaugural meeting, which will commence immediately after this briefing. Thank you very much.
Angenene yekiombe kyo nokoene kyabuna machika yuaeteirwe ne CHINGAKI ayakweirorera nkorusi gwarororo na kobeka boronge eliokoene kyoborendi meyense eserikali nigegenete buno murobelio yono konye asogotene na kweli chiko obwene bwa mwanya bantu amona asogokina kwa magenderero na uchumi meyense.
Most certainly, Honorable AG, and I do echo your call to the members of the public that if there are any laws that they have found challenging as they continue with their day-to-day works that seem to affect their rights and obligations, they should certainly draw that to the attention of this committee.
Ogochakigwa kwa morobelio yo nigokoro kwengencho ase okoene kya machiko yense ya Kenya ngochiale mutwe na goikerania amagania yabange goikera bono iga NIGO ekiombe ekyoge kageire gochake gasiri molioka kolibote liegeta seni gensoko elietaliane Debora mwenesi
Miamano murikito Debora